Welcome to Android ABCD everyone. I couldn't post any content from couple of months due to a lot of ongoing personal events in my life. Most of them were tragic and painful. It took a while for me to come back. Well, I'm back now with a lot of jam-packed promising content. Please stay tuned.
In this episode, let's understand how to refactor Gradle dependencies into functions. This is one of the best convenient approach that your Gradle dependencies will look much more readable. Please watch and learn how to do this.
Fire up the Android Studio. Let's create a new project called Gradle Functions. And I will create this project with the default settings. So in the build.gradle file, I will just copy paste the couple of dependencies that we usually use to build any production scale application. For example, these dependencies will include architecture components and tagger, retrofit, and so forth. So the definition versions I'll copy and paste on top of the dependencies. And yeah, so does this look familiar to you? Okay, I know this is a readable code, but this is not that greatly convenient. And this is not a maintainable dependency file. So let me zoom in a little bit. Now I will write a methods which is almost similar to Java methods. The first method I'll be naming as support libraries, and it requires a configuration object. And I will copy paste the def keys into the method. I'll paste this dependency also, and then till the architecture components, I'll create one more method called architecture components, and it accepts a configuration object and the versioning def keys and the Gradle dependencies. Okay, now all other general libraries that I use with the def versions and this looks more clean and more readable, but few things more pending. What we need to do is we need to pass the configuration object before the dependency, just like this. So let me choose all the keys and add the configuration object with the dot. Yes. Now configuration, support libraries, configuration, architecture components configuration, and libraries configuration. Yes. This is absolutely maintainable and readable. And it successfully built.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the way the methods get organized and everything is so readable and so convenient. Thank you for watching. Please do like and comment on my videos and keep learning and be a lifetime learner. Thank you for watching.